Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to restore your messages and call history from a backup in your Google Drive. If you have recently switched phones or installed an app, restoring from a backup can help bring back your important conversations and call records. We will guide you step by step on how to do it easily. Now, let's get started. On your mobile phone dashboard, for example, if you want to see or restore the backup from your Google Drive, you need to know that if you click on Google in your settings, you cannot see the backup of Google Drive here. You cannot see it if you explore the applications of your Google Drive. There is no option for restoring or seeing the restore history of your calls and messages here. You can back up your drive by logging into another cell phone or a new cell phone. Or you can restart your cell phone and reset it to factory settings. Once you log into the same Google Drive account and use it on a new device, all of your messages from these phones will be restored. All you need to do is restart your cell phone to its factory settings to restore it to common settings. This way, you can log into your Google Drive account on that new device. With this method, you can restore these messages, or you can transfer or copy these messages and call loginfo to another device. You just have to log into your Google Drive account on that other device. And that's it. You have successfully restored your messages and call history from Google Drive. Now, your important conversations and records should be back on your device.